Okay, another thing, for example, here I created all my cabinets with dowels, minifixes, but I want to change the CNC management. How do we make it, or the material, etc.? We can go here in the, sorry, this one, apply preferences profile. So if you remember, we can put the default, all the elements, and we can decide if we want to change the material part, the CNC part, or just the construction part. So from here, we can decide, for example, that I only want the CNC part. So according to this, one thing we haven't changed that part yet, so we need also to, obviously if we put this in the cabinet, it will be managed this part as well, but here we need this to, let's see. Okay, so we will have also, see, the connections as we want, and the same can be done also if we want to change the hinges, because I forgot here. Obviously, or I can, for example, if I go here and I see all the cabinet, I can select, I can quickly select all of them. I forgot, for example, to put, I will put everything, doesn't matter.
Right, now we'll put. Okay.
Also the cam,
Change.
the hardware, whatever. Obviously here it will change also the part related to this, so let me quickly put it. Okay, so now we have an element that we can save. And if we go in the cutting list, in the CNC cutting list, you see here is way quicker. It should be like that. Okay, so you see, if you in a few minutes you can have everything. Grouping it. Options. Okay, this is, for example, this is by cabinet. Let me see.
Topology.
If we change something, because otherwise, anyway, here this is just a template. We can also create. I don't know if you also have it. Let me see. We have the possibility to create. I don't know if you also have it. A sort of. This is an example of default of custom block of custom printout. So in here we can create. You see, even different management of